A woman who's expecting writes this question: does what I eat affect my baby?
Definitely, because everything that we eat, any medication, any drugs, does pass through the blood, through the placenta to the baby. So that's why it's so important, early prevention. And the first two parts of the program is really for mommy, right? Because at that stage, baby is so young that we do very little. But for mommy, in terms of getting that knowledge is important, such as there are drugs to avoid, such as alcohol or smoking. It can really harm your baby. And some antibiotics, such as tetracycline, can cause permanent staining of the baby, the teeth, and like the adult teeth of the baby. The teeth start developing at 6 weeks of your pregnancy. So anything really that you do that goes in your body affects your baby. And such as too much fluoride as well can cause teeth to be discolored and weakened.
Certainly, I know when my daughter was pregnant, anything she looked at, she had to think about twice. You know, it had to be cooked meats. It couldn't be lunch meats. So food is really important here, as well as the medications. There are certain things that need to be avoided.
Well, so clearly, we know the old saying, "You are what you eat." I got to imagine that's got to be literally doubly true for a pregnant mom, because you're eating for two. Anything else we should really be aware of when it comes to diet and the effect it has? I hadn't realized that teeth develop that early.
Yes, and I mean people don't know about that. Definitely when you're pregnant, you want to have a good balanced diet, and as a mother, you have to make the decision of what kind of food you want to eat. I mean, there's all these sorts of things to follow: what to eat, what not to eat.
Right, a million books and advice. Right?
That's depending on what you're comfortable with and what you want to do. But just you want a balanced diet to be, as healthy as possible. And just people don't know that, again, the baby's teeth are being developed while the baby's in the womb still. Mm-hmm. So keep that in mind, because
because you don't think about it, because when a baby is born, obviously there are no teeth there, so you don't think
teeth, and you don't
you're
see
not really
teeth
thinking about it
until later on. But
right.
they already
but really,
there. They're there.
At 6 weeks, I mean, that's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.